I've got a vintage model 66-18. Serial number is AJ844289. This machine has the crinkle finish on it. I think I said the serial number dates the machine to 1950, and it's basically been completely rewired. And for starters, I'll show you with the light. Light passes a tap test. It was electrically cleaned internally. There's a new belt on it, and basically I'm just going to show you how the machine stitches. Got 6 layers of denim. Some of them loose threads. This was already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. There you can see there's no skip stitches. It's an equal stitch. Now I've got 4 layers of leather. It's a thin, soft leather, or like a medium grade. This is typically found on jackets, pants, skirts. There you can see equal stitch there. And then finally 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. And again, same thing, equal stitch with no missed stitches. And there you have it.